There are 5 steps to learning to read, and if you skip even one of them, your child will hit a wall. In this video, I'm laying out the exact sequence in order so you never have to guess what comes next. One of the most common things I hear from parents is, we've been working on letters, we've been reading together, we don't understand why it's not coming together. I'm Rebecca, a literacy specialist and mom who's taught hundreds of children to read over 15 years, including kids who are already falling behind when they came to me. And almost every time, it's not what they're doing, it's the order they're doing it in. Step 1 is letter and sound exposure. Before any formal teaching starts, children need to build familiarity. You do that through songs, books, games, and movement. Anything that gets them interacting with letters and sounds in a low-pressure way. This is where children begin to see each sound, hear it, and feel it in their mouth. The physical sensation of making a sound, so the way your lips press together when you say that's part of how a sound gets stored in memory. You're not drilling here, you're building a map. And step 2 is where you start to use it. Step 2 is multisensory practice. Multisensory means children learn a sound through the body, so not just the brain. They see the letter, they say it, they hear it, they feel it, through things like textured cards and writing in sand. Sounds don't just get heard, they get stored. And that's how reading actually gets built. But knowing the sounds alone won't get them reading, and that's what step 3 is for. Step 3, blending and segmenting. This is the step where sounds become words. Children practice stretching sounds out and blending them together and breaking words apart. Step 2 is learning the ingredients. Step 3 is learning how to cook with them. And once that clicks, a child is ready to do something they haven't been able to do yet: read. Step 4 is reading decodable texts, and this is where it starts to feel real. Decodable text means the words on the page are made up of sounds your child has already learned, not words they need to guess or memorize. And this tends to be a lot of CVC words, so 3-letter words. You start with decodable readers, and as they get more confident, you start inviting them to read those words inside of regular read-alouds. Suddenly, those sounds are showing up in real books, inside real stories. And this is when children start to see that all that practice actually leads somewhere. And that's when you know they're ready for the last step. Step 5 is where you take the training wheels off. So this is where you introduce trickier sounds, long vowels, vowel teams, trigraphs. You start pointing them out and letting your child try. And because of everything they've built, it's not as hard as it looks. The trickier sounds feel like additions to something they already know, not a brand new system to learn from scratch. So you can point to a vowel team in a word like AI and say, AI together makes the sound A, like in rain. Can you try reading this for me? By this point, they're not learning to read anymore, they're just reading. Reading success isn't random, it follows a path. And now you know what the path looks like. If your child is somewhere in the middle of these steps, that's okay. Find the step they're on and focus there. You don't need to rush ahead. The steps work because they build on each other, and every step forward is real progress. If you want to go deeper on multisensory practice specifically, I have a video that walks you through exactly how to do it at home. I'll link it down below. It's the step most people skip, so it's worth your time. I'll see you there.